What's up everyone, welcome back, and today in this video I would like to show you how to view insight option on Instagram. So let's begin our video. So first of all you need to open your Instagram application. After that, if you want to view insights option on Instagram, so how should you do? Just go to your profile at first. Then you need to tap on the top right corner three dot icon or three line menu bar icon. Then you can see option insights. There you can see insights. Just tap it. Now you can see your insight overviews, and you can customize the date, 14 date, 30 date. So guys, in this way you can view or you can see insight option on Instagram. Thank you everyone for watching this video.